Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi Note 15 Pro and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find sound and vibration. Then let's tap on this ringtone section at the top. And now we've been transferred to the ringtone section in themes, so we can choose something from online ringtones. Of course, be aware you need to have the internet connection. However, if you wish, you can still choose pre-installed ringtones. As you can see here, we've got the section, so let me quickly show you. Just tap on pre-installed ringtones, tap on ringtone again, and here we've got the list of pre-installed ringtones, so you can simply tap on the specific one and listen whether you'd like to use it or not. Here we have to allow the themes to access everything, so just tap on allow. And basically this is it. If you wish to set it, you need to tap on it and make sure that it is marked. So as you can see, now we've got this Fairyland set as our ringtone, and we've accidentally entered the wallpaper. All right, let me go to the ringtone again. So now let me show you how to do it using the online ringtones. So I'll pick something from maybe birds, because as you can see here, we've got plenty of different sections, plenty of different categories from which we can choose. So we've got nature, rain, etc. Of course, here at the top, we've got different categories too. Here we've got the full album. So as you can see, quite a lot of things to use. We've got also some kind of classic options. Here we've got some selected ones, trending, a lot of things to really check. Highly recommend that. So let me maybe pick something from rain. And here we've got the list of ringtones which are connected with this specific category. So quite a lot of things in the category here. I mean, quite a lot of options to choose from. All right, so in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, you have to simply tap on it. And then you will be able to decide whether you like it or not. As you can see here, I mean, under the name of the ringtone, you've got also a hint of how this ringtone will sound. So for example, for our block party, we've got rain, breakup, and rap. So it's kind of sad, I believe. But here, Dark Destroyer, we've got happy travel and high five. So, you know, you can have a kind of an idea of how the ringtone will sound. So let's pretend I'd like to this Dark Destroyer to be set as my ringtone. So all we have to do is to tap on this bell icon next to it, and your device will ask you where you'd like to apply it. So let's choose a ringtone. Now your device will download it. That's why you need the internet connection, and we've got the information that it was applied. So let's remember, Dark Destroyer is our ringtone, and as you can see, it is notified right here, which means that from now on our device will use the chosen ringtone to notify us about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.